Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I go by the name Sajibere and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. On this episode, I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let me just start off with the display. The display of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. I really love how this display looks. It's very crispy, very vibrant, and the outdoor visibility is on point. If you're outside and you're using this device, it's so clear, you can see all the colors, it's bright enough that you can see everything on your screen, so I didn't really have a problem taking pictures outside. Also, I do love that when you go to the display settings, it gives you options to choose between 720p, 1080p and Quad HD Plus. I feel this feature is very good because if you're using the phone on a normal basis, I mean, you wouldn't want to use it in Quad HD mode, so you can put it in either 720p or 1080p mode to save some battery. But if you do want to consume content, say you want to watch a video, you want to watch YouTube, then you can put it on Quad HD Plus so that you can enjoy crispy content. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus features a video enhancing feature which allows you to toggle an option to get crispier, better video quality. So I do love the display and the video features of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The cameras on this device are legendary. On the back, you have three cameras. The first one is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, the second is a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and the third camera is a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. At the front, you have two cameras, one being a 10 megapixel selfie shooter and the other being an 8 megapixel depth camera. These cameras have a number of interesting modes that enhance photography and videography, and of all of them, my favorite is AR emoji. I love that I was able to create an animated form of myself, and it was kind of interesting using that feature. The pictures taken on this device are amazing. I mean, I do love the ultra wide angle shots. They look very crispy and I'm able to get everything into my shot, and I just love the cameras. Here are some samples of the photos, check them out and see for yourself. This device has great storage options. You have a 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage as the base version. Then you have the 8GB RAM, 512GB version, and then you have the 12GB RAM, 1TB version. I do love that Samsung has this great storage options because, you know, megapixels are getting higher, video and photo quality is also getting higher as well. So I do love that this device comes with a lot of storage so that no matter how many pictures you take or how many videos you take, you still have some space left for other files, say your apps and other things. So I do love that Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has 128GB of base storage. The phone's build quality is great and this device is IP68 certified. This is great for taking underwater selfies as it can be submerged up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. I love that the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has a toggle for touch sensitivity. Anytime you put a screen protector on some Galaxy devices, you tend to lose the sensitivity of the screen a bit, but I do love that this toggle increases the sensitivity of the screen so that if you put a glass protector, you'll be able to use the device easily. Another feature I'm crazy about is wireless power share. Wireless power share is a very great way of sharing power with another device that supports Qi wireless charging. So if you do have, say, the Samsung Galaxy Buds or any other device that you'd want to charge, once you toggle wireless power share on, the person can put the device or the gadget or the accessory on your phone and it begins to charge wirelessly. I feel it's a very nice feature, especially for charging accessories. So if you don't own the Samsung Galaxy Buds, all you have to do is just put it on the device and it will be able to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds. I do love that you can also easily toggle dark mode. So if you swipe down from the notification shade, you can just toggle it on or off, and it's so simple. You don't have to go to settings, display, and look for the option to turn on dark mode. This device has one of the fastest processors on the market, so I really love the performance on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So without doubt, I can say the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is the best device of 2019. It has great build quality, IP68 certified, it has great cameras, great battery, lots of power, and plenty of storage. So that's that, guys. Let me know your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. Catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.